Hey guys, today is April 21st. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. Our 2-minute chart just started ticking here. And as you guys can see, we were basically in between a sell zone and a buy zone, but it looks like we're breaking out to the upside here. Let me see if there's a low volume node up here anywhere. Don't see one. We do have one here on the 2-minute chart. That's providing some resistance right now. And then we have this reversal point right here. So the odds that the market is going to reverse at least 10 or 15 ticks is pretty high right now. If we had a first take profit at 85, it would have been hit right there. But of course, this is above the 0 point on the LVN oscillator, so we're going to just wait and see what happens here. I don't think anybody's really done much of anything in the trading room. Like I said, there was a pretty strong selling zone right above us, and we'll also have this buying zone right here, and also this buying low volume node. So we'll go ahead and pause it now, and we'll see which direction the market chooses. It doesn't really matter to me either way. Hopefully it just doesn't go sideways all day. We'll just wait and see. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, the vendor said he got short on this 2-minute trade here. And a few of the other people in the trade room got short based on this trade. Personally, I didn't jump in on this one or this one because we have this buying low volume node right here. And one of my rules is personally I don't buy into these nodes. I've seen too many times where it reverses off of them.
All attendees are muted and may unmute themselves by pressing *6.
Alright, well, it just disappeared down here, telling us to expect a short, so we'll see if the market bounces back up again here. The market's really been in a pretty tight range here. It's just been, bouncing up and down here. So hopefully that will change. There it is. And it looks like the market's going to at least try to push down. So at least these people right here that got in should be satisfied. 57.67. Hasn't hit the first target yet, but it's getting close to it. We're under the 0 mark here. So it would be great to get a sell in right here. Selling the limit. Let's go with 2. And if we get filled at 52, 42 is right here, so we should be okay.
Order pending.
Market went down, gave us a U. Hopefully it'll come back up, get us filled here. We can see, obviously, in my opinion, the market wants to push down. Again, that's just my opinion. I don't see anything stopping us from continuing to push down.
Order filled.
Alright, we're now in this trade 53 to 63 or 53 to 43.
CL scalp trade approaching.
And I don't want us to have to make a new low, so we'll just push this up one tick here so that the market doesn't have to go down too hard. You can see we have this buying zone at 57.40. So that's right here.
Target filled.
Alright, the reason I did that is because, like I said, we're in such a tight range here. And we have this buying zone right here. There's no telling if the market's going to be able to continue pushing down or not. So I'm not really taking any chances. Like I said, this is just a small trade. If it pushes past, good. If it doesn't, you know, it's not really a large risk on this trade, or any risk at this point. So we'll just see what it does. We're currently at 6 minutes. And if you recall, I said we only have 15 minutes total time to record here, so hopefully something will happen. Either a push up to stop us out or a push down past this level.
Stop filled.
Alright, so stop got hit right there. And as you guys can see, the market came right down to where my
CL scalp trade approaching.
take profit was. Stopped exactly right there to the tick, and then came back up to my entry price. That's why I only risked 2 contracts on that trade. Because I really like to see the market bust down through this level before I look at risking, you know, any more on a short trade right now. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. We're already at 8 minutes. We only got 7 left. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we just got a print. As you guys can see here, we should be able to hit a take profit before hitting this level down here. The only problem I have with this trade is the same one I had when I took the other trade. There's really no way to tell right now if the market's going to be able to push down past this level. And my common sense honestly is telling me I shouldn't take in this trade. And again, this is just me. Somebody else might have the patience to stay in it and hold.
CL scalp trade approaching.
But honestly, I'd be perfectly happy getting this out here. And actually, we're going to go ahead and do that. Because I really don't have confidence in the market pushing down any further. And I hate I got into this trade now after looking at it. And it was for 5 contracts. So that's going to be rough.
Stop filled.
Alright, stop just got hit.
CL scalp trade approaching.
We'll see if we get another opportunity. As you guys just saw, the market came down, filled us, and then came right back up. And again, if I would have been looking, I would have saw that this was the exact same level that the market wasn't able to push past right here. So this was not a good place to enter a trade.
CL scalp trade approaching.
It's possible the market will come back up here, push into this level, and then give us a reversal right out of this level, and that'll be fine. Plenty of room
CL scalp trade approaching
to go down. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. We're already at 10 minutes. I'll be back if we get a print. Alright folks, we're going to see if we can get filled into this zone trade here. There's so much resistance at this level that I think this zone trade might be a great trade to take. Over here in the 2 minute, we have selling zone, selling low volume node, and the high volume node above us. So now,
oil trade.
Obviously I'm not taking that trade, but we can cancel this one since market looks like it might push up through there now.
Order canceled.
Let's see what the market's going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we're going to try selling at this low volume node right here. Again, we had a nice U form here. We'll see if we can get filled. I'm only using the 3 contracts. And we're at 12 minutes right now. We should be able to get filled. As you can see, we're under the 0 line.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Alright, so 63 up to 73, that's 10. And let's see here.
CL
63
approaching.
Down to 53. That would be 10. And also, we don't have any issues. There's nothing down here to stop us or hinder us from pushing back further down. So I'm okay on that front. And we also have the high volume node right here. So I'm hoping this selling zone will hold. And I'm hoping this selling low volume node will hold. And if it does, hopefully we'll be able to get back down to this level. And then I'll leave this last one on to run.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Market came right up here to this high volume node, stopped right on it. Hopefully it'll respect it and start pushing back down here. But you never can tell what the market's going to decide to do. And again, my max loss is per trade 750. Which means with my Top Step Trader Combine, I can afford to lose 4 trades in a row before hitting my max loss. So I should be okay. And even if I stop after taking this trade, I'm nowhere near my max loss for the day with my Top Step Trader Combine. I haven't started it yet, but I do plan on starting it, and I'm trying to stick as closely to the rules as I can.
CL scalp trade approaching.
In order to get hit right here, we don't have to make a new low. So that's a very good thing for me. I don't want the market to have to push down any further than 57.52. And we're already at 14 minutes. Let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. And guys, I actually had to come back to show you this. The market came right down to our profit target, and it actually touched it and decided to just stop and bounce right back up. Honestly, I cannot believe that. I went ahead and moved my stop back to break even, because if we can't get through that profit target at this point, then I don't want to risk it here. And I'm just going to leave things the way they are. We get stopped out, we just get stopped out. It's already 10 o'clock, folks, and we're at 14:40. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, my stop just got hit. First profit target was hit. Second profit target I got about 5 ticks out of. I only have about 5 seconds left on this recording. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here. And hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Take care.